If you're looking for the laziest way to make money online, then this video is for you, because it doesn't require you to show your face or need thousands of followers. You never have to touch a single physical product, create any digital products, or write any ebooks. And it gets even better. You don't have to spend any money up front, because I just found a new AI app that will do all of the work for you for free. If you've been chasing side hustles that promise easy passive income but always seem to fall short, then you need to watch this video. Because today, I'm about to show you something completely different, something that's going to change the way you look at making money online. This isn't just another get-rich-quick scheme or some complicated method that takes months to see results. What I'm about to reveal is a simple yet powerful system that you won't believe is possible until you see it in action. And the best part? It requires no prior experience, no special skills, and barely any effort on your part. In this step-by-step tutorial, I'll walk you through exactly how it works, breaking down every single detail so that anyone, even a complete beginner, can follow along. But here's where it gets even better. I'm going to introduce you to a brand new AI-powered tool that automates the entire process for you in just 10 minutes or less. That means all you need to do is click a few buttons, sit back, and watch as your online income starts rolling in. This powerful AI app is called Build Your Store, and you can find the link right in my description box below. It literally builds your entire online store for you for free. People will try to charge you thousands of dollars to create and set up an online store. But with this tool, you get it done at no cost. It's an absolute game changer. So, the first thing you're going to do is click the link at the very top of my description box down below. I'll also pin a comment with the link, so it's super easy for you to find. Alright, so once you're here, you're going to see a screen that looks like this. Just go ahead and click on Build My Free Store. From there, all you need to do is fill in your name, email, and password, then hit Sign Up. Super simple. Now, the first step is to pick your niche. Don't worry if you haven't decided on one yet. Just click I'm not sure to keep things moving. But for today's video, we're going with the pets niche. Once you've made your choice, click Done. Next up, it's time to choose some banners for your homepage. You can pick any design that catches your eye. It's totally up to you. Just click on the banners you like and hit Done. Now this is where you're going to create your Shopify account. Keep in mind that this AI store builder only works with Shopify, so go ahead and click on Access Shopify. Just enter your email, then hit Start Free Trial. After 3 days of free trial, you'll pay $1 for the first 3 months per month. It's really important that you set up a brand new Shopify account through this link, even if you already have a store from way back. This ensures the AI store builder works correctly. Once you're signed up, just skip through the initial questions, and that's it. You'll be brought straight to your Shopify dashboard once you're done setting up your Shopify account. Head back to the Build Your Store tab and click Done. Now it's time to link your Shopify store. Scroll down and click on Access Shopify. This will take you to the page where the AI store builder needs to be linked. Once you're back on Shopify, go ahead and click on View Your Store. This will open up your store as it currently is, which at this point is basically just an empty template. Now, just copy the store URL from the address bar, simply click Copy, then head back to the AI store builder and paste that URL into the designated box. Once it's in, click Save and then Done. Next, it's time to pick a plan with Shopify. Just click on Access Shopify again, and you'll see that you can get started for just $1 for your first 3 months, making it super affordable for beginners. Fill out all the necessary information and select one of the basic, budget-friendly plans. Nothing fancy is needed. Once that's done, go back to the store builder and click Done. Now we need to allow the AI system to work within your Shopify account. The next step will prompt you to install the app. Just click Install App when it pops up. This will redirect you back to your Shopify account, where you'll just need to hit Install again to finalize the setup, and that's it. You're all set for this step. Now, click on Customize My Store, and the AI will start customizing your store for you. This process only takes a few minutes, and once it's done, your online store is fully built completely free with the AI store builder. And just look at it. It's looking so good. Since we picked the pets niche, the AI automatically loaded a bunch of pet-related products into the store, making it look professional and user-friendly. Plus, it didn't just add products, it also included high-quality product photos, detailed descriptions, and even customer reviews to make the store look more credible and engaging right from the start. It's amazing how the AI handles all of this in just a few clicks, saving you both time and money. Now, if you head back to Shopify, click on Online Store, then Themes, and hit Customize, you'll see that you can take your store customization even further. Let's say your pet niche store is inspired by your dog named Max. You can easily rename it to Max Shop or whatever you like. You can tweak colors, fonts, and layout, basically customize it to match your brand. But here's the best part. The most challenging part of building a professional-looking online store is already done for you. The AI has taken care of the design, product listings, and overall aesthetic, so all you really need to do is make a few personal touches and your store is ready to start selling. Now, we need to install the AutoDS app in our Shopify account. This tool is a game changer because it allows you to keep those winning products in your store while also giving you access to even more trending items with fast shipping times. Just click on Install and it's done. Now head back to the AI Store Builder tab and you'll see that it gives you the option to register to AutoDS. Simply click this button and fill out the information. I also put the link below in my description box where you can get a 30-day trial of AutoDS for just $1 using my link. If you're wondering whether AutoDS is worth it, let me break it down for you. It's not just about finding hot-selling products. It's also about automating your entire online business journey. AutoDS handles everything from inventory management to automated order fulfillment, which means less manual work and more time to scale your business. Plus, they have a huge library of products ready to sell with fast shipment times, so you're always offering high-demand items to your customers. And when you go back to your store, you'll see that 10 winning products are already imported into your store via AutoDS. These are products carefully selected based on current market trends, which means they have a high chance of selling. It's honestly the easiest way to set up a professional, automated store without spending hours researching products. Your store is now practically set up for success. Just a few more tweaks and you're ready. Now let's talk about the 3 main product research sections that AutoDS offers: the Handpicked Products tab, Ad Spy tab, and the Trending Products tab. The Handpicked Products is where you'll find all the products that AutoDS has handpicked and made available. You can browse through a wide range of categories and even narrow down your search by country, price range, and category. One of the best features here is the Fast Shipping button, which filters out the products with the fastest shipment times. These products are updated daily, so you'll always have access to fresh, trending items. Even if you find a product elsewhere, you can import it manually from over 25 supported suppliers or request sourcing directly from AutoDS for faster shipping times. Next is the Trending Products tab. This tab showcases products that are currently hot and selling fast. It's perfect if you're looking to capitalize on popular trends and catch the wave before it dies down. And the last feature is Ad Spy. This feature is an absolute game changer. It allows you to spy on active ads on platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. You can see which ads are performing well, what's trending right now, and even get insights into how competitors are marketing their products. It's a fantastic way to stay ahead of the game and understand what's resonating with audiences. With AutoDS, you'll always have your finger on the pulse of what's hot and selling, plus the tools to analyze and optimize your store's performance. It's honestly one of the most powerful tools to automate and grow your e-commerce business. Alright, so now that you've found your winning product, it's time to automate your entire store. This is where AutoDS truly shines. It automates your entire online business journey for you. Once you make a sale, your supplier will ship the product directly to your buyer, and you get to keep the profits without even lifting a finger. You can set all of this up completely through AutoDS. If you decide not to use AutoDS, you'll have to rely on AliExpress, manually import the products into your store, and manually place the order with your supplier to the buyer's address every single time someone makes a purchase. Trust me, that's a lot of work, especially when you're trying to scale your business. AutoDS is truly worth it in the long term if you're serious about building a profitable online store. It's not just about automating orders, it's about setting yourself up for long-term success. With AutoDS handling the product sourcing, order fulfillment, and even monitoring trending products, You'll have way more time to focus on growing your business and building your brand. If you need to create a unique logo for your store, you can use Canva. It's completely free and super easy to use. Just hop onto Canva and design a professional-looking logo that matches your brand's vibe. And if you're feeling stuck on a business name, don't worry. I've got a little trick for you. I always use a free website called Business Name Generator. You can literally just Google it. It's an amazing tool that will generate tons of catchy and creative name ideas to help you find the perfect one for your online store. Now, all of this effort means nothing if you don't have a solid plan to market your online store. Luckily, thanks to the power of social media, you no longer need to spend thousands of dollars on ads just to get sales. In fact, I don't recommend buying ads at all. The only people who tell you to buy ads are usually either unfamiliar with organic marketing or just don't care about your budget. There are even AI platforms out there that let you create content for your products, which is honestly mind-blowing. But here's the thing, I recommend doing both. Getting some AI-made videos and also creating your own content to see which one performs better. Remember, no one will ever know about your store if you don't drive traffic to it. So, how do you do that? The best way, especially if you're a complete beginner, is to stick with free, organic methods using social media platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and Pinterest. These apps are incredibly powerful tools that allow you to market your online store to millions of potential customers every single day, completely for free. You just have to get creative and stay consistent. And here's the exciting part. In my next video, I'm going to dive deep into organic marketing strategies to show you exactly how to make your store go viral without spending a dime. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out. Alright, that's it for today's video. I hope you're feeling ready to take action and build your online store.